Mitchell. I was born in 1818 in Massachusetts.
Okay, so Nina,
I studied the skies. I was the first to see a telescopic comet. I was an astronomy professor. I was also elected to go to the Academy of Arts and Sciences. I was put in the Hall of Fame for Great Americans. I died on 1889. I'm important because I discovered the first telescopic comet. I'm here at Tubman. I helped many people. I helped many people find freedom. I escaped to Philadelphia. I became part of the Underground Railroad. I continue to help Black people. People remember me for helping escape. I helped slaves escape. So, bye.
I'm Wilma Rudolph. I wore a brace and no one thought I was going to be a famous athlete when I was older. I was born on June 23rd. By age 10, I walked without a brace. In high school, I played track and I did basketball. It was great. I won 3 gold medals in 1 Olympic game. I graduated in 1963. I had 4 kids. I was a teacher, track coach, and I was on TV sports. I died November 12, 1994. I created a Wilma Rudolph Foundation to help young athletes follow their dreams. I was important because I followed my dream and I achieved it. Woo! Bye!
I was born November 15, 1887. I became a teacher and I did several charcoals. I tried new things as an artist. I did landscapes that made me famous. My husband died in 1946. His name was Alfred. I was remembered as a unique painter. I was important because I was a unique painter. I was born in 1953. I helped end segregation for 6 years. I was the only child that year. I raised 4 sons. I wrote a book about myself. I was important because I helped end segregation.
Hello, my name is Michelle Obama, and I was born in Illinois, and I was a lawyer. I had 2 daughters. I was a first lady. I meant military families. I helped little kids and find kids' families.
I'm Sacagawea. I was born in Idaho. I was born in 1788. I gathered nuts, berries, and roots for my mother. I got married to Toussaint Charbonneau. When I was 12, Hadassah warriors attacked my camp. I had 1 son. I met famous explorers. I helped men trade, and I traveled west. I showed tribes the group was peaceful. I told the group what to eat. I told the group what to use for medicine. I returned to the village in 1806. I left to Missouri in 1809 and died in 1812. I was important because I helped famous explorers and had a lot of courage.
Hi. I'm Wilma Rudolph. I was the first woman American to win 3 gold medals. I won it at age 16 on the Olympic track team. I, Wilma, married and had children. I became a teacher, track coach, and TV sports. I helped young athletes. I inspired others to work hard to achieve dreams. I am important because I was fighting to run. And I help people achieve their dreams.
Hi, I'm Ruby Bridges. I helped end segregation in schools. People picked me to go to first grade in a white school. I was the only kid in my class. I worked as a travel agent
I got married. I raised 4 kids. I wrote a book. I'm important because when I was a kid, I was brave. So I am Ryan. I'm going to teach you about Michelle Obama. She was born January 17th, 1964. She met Barack Obama as a lawyer. She was a working mom. She also had daughters, Malia and Sasha. She talks about diet and exercise. She meets with military families. Why was it? She is the first lady.
My person is Mary Genesis. She loved learning about space. She went to college to become a doctor. In 1992, May blasted into space on a shuttle. May gave speeches about her time in space. She wrote all about her. She's important because she was the first person.
So make sure your project is on.
Hi, my name is Ruby Bridges. As a child, I helped stop segregation. Schools were forced to integrate. I graduated high school in 1971. I volunteered at an elementary school to teach. I wrote a book about my life. I am important because I stopped segregation.
Hi, I am Wilma Rudolph. I was a famous athlete. I had to wear a brace on my left leg. I won 3 gold medals. 3 gold medals. I had 4 children. I made up the Wilma Rudolph Foundation. I had to wear a brace and she won 3 gold medals. Never give up.
Hi, my name is Ruby Bridges. As a child, I helped stop segregation. Schools were forced to integrate. I graduated high school in 1971. I volunteered at an elementary school to teach. I wrote a book about my life. I am important because I stopped segregation.
Hi, my name is Betsy Ross. I made the first American flag. I learned how to sew, and I love sewing. I made the first flag. I died at age 84. I am a legend of the American history. I'm important because I made the first American flag, and I love to sew.
Hi, I was an author. I was an activist for blind. I had been taught from Anne Sullivan. I learned that everything that I touched had a name. I wanted to help people. I gave speeches. I wrote 10 books. I died in 1968. I graduated even though I was blind and deaf. Bye. Bye. See you later.
Hi, I'm Michelle Obama, first African American First Lady.
became a lawyer in Chicago. Was a working mom. Makes time for daughters. As First Lady travels the world, she worked a lot, but she still had time for her daughters and President Obama. Hannah's father was Chief Houghton. She was his favorite daughter. They built a town. Americans wanted to share land. The sailors wanted to own the land. The sailors captured her. She wanted to teach sailors about her people. She worked hard for peace. She was important because she wanted to
Hey guys, 5-minute warning. George, you done?
I'm Wilma Rudolph. No one thought I would grow up to be a famous athlete. I had problems with my left leg. I was 10 and I didn't have to wear a brace. I worked very hard to get my brace off. In the 1960 Olympics, I won 3 gold medals. I was the first woman to win 3 gold medals in the Olympics. I became a teacher and a track coach, TV Sports. I died November 12, 1994. I created a foundation for other athletes. I inspired others to work hard and get to your goals. I was important because I taught people to stick to their goals and not give up.
Hello, I'm Mae Jefferson. I was the first African American to go to space. I taught people to follow their dreams. Yay, yay, woohoo! I love being me.